Hey, kindergarten, good morning. Today is Thursday. It is April 23rd, and it is time for sound work. Let's start with our rhymes. Our rhyme is ent. Thinking of words that rhyme with ent. Sent, went, dent, rent, tent. Nice job. Okay, beginning sound. Ready? Useful, useful, you. Each, dinner, dinner, d, oval, oval, o, valley, valley, v. All right, ready? Let's blend our sounds together. D, oon, dune, rate, rate, ein, pine, rome, Rome, ape, cape, note, note, ice, mice, ute, cute, use, fuse, live, live. Nice job. All right, let's hop on our roller coaster for our middle sound. Ready? Wrote, wrote, oat, o, rise, rise, eyes, I, June, 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 ooh, beak, beak, eek, e, maze, 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 a, dive, 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 I, road, 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 o. All right, let's get our choppers ready. Ready? Made, made, aid, duke, duke, ook, tune, tune, goal, goal, pipe, 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 lake, 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 sight, 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 pave, 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 vase, vase, ace, road, road, road. Nice job. All right, I'm going to give you the ending. We're going to put a new beginning sound on. See what our word is. Oot, oot, add root, ave, add save, oon, add tune, oak, add poke, ife, add life. All right, let's take that beginning sound off. Ready? Fume, without f is yume. Nose, without n is os. Pain, without p is ain. Tune, without t is oon. Rice, without is ice. All right, here we go. Let's change the beginning sound and see if we can come up with a different word. Gave, change g to s. Save, change s to k. Cave, change k to p. Pave, change p to r. Rave, change to g. Gave. Nice job. All right, let's go through with just our letters, and then we'll go through with just our sounds. See if I can stretch over here, get all of my letters off the table. All right, here we go. Ready? Letter names. M, TH, B, H, A, C, G, O, R, K, X, I, Z, N, J, T, F, P, L, E, Y, D, CH, S, Q, U, SH, V, W. All right, let's go through and do our sounds. Ready? F, B, B, B. A. Second sound, A. K, K, K. Second sound, S. G, G, G. Second sound, J, J, J. Ah. Second sound, O. R. K, K, K. X. At the beginning, it might say Z. I. Second sound, I. Z. N. J, J, J. T, T, T. L. Second sound, E. Y. E or I. D, D, D. Ch, ch, ch. S. Qu. Second sound, U. Sh. V. W. Awesome. All right, today we're going to word solve 2 words. Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Here's our first word. Oops, my letters are falling. Okay, today we're going to start with using the strategy, say the sounds, blend them together. This is normally our first strategy when we try to figure out a new word. We're going to try saying the sounds and blending them together. Ready, go. F, ast. Okay, say it a little faster. F, ast. Fast. That's the word, fast. All right, here's our second word. Are you ready for this one? This one, we're going to use our strategy that we learned this week about looking for parts we know. Okay, I want you to look in here, see if maybe there's a part that you know. We may have talked about it very quickly yesterday. Yes, I see a part I know. I see 2 E's, and when 2 E's are together, they make the long E sound. E. Are you ready? Let's see if we can figure it out. Asleep. 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 That sounds like the word asleep. Sometimes vowels or even letters, when they get into a word, they make just a slightly different sound. This is the word asleep. All right, we'll look for the word asleep and the word fast in our poem today. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to have to turn my camera down today because our poem, we have the whole thing now. Are you ready? Here we go. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. So he is taking a snooze, a little sleep under a haystack. And look, here's our word, fast, fast. And here's our word that we saw, a part that we knew, that asleep, asleep. Let's read it one more time. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where's the little boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack, fast asleep. Excellent sound work today. See you tomorrow.